Hi everyone, thank you for joining us. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a very good update. There is a very good opportunity brought by Amazon. This is known as seller support. So first we will distinguish how seller support is a better opportunity than VCS, that is virtual customer service. So for most locations, seller support and VCS both are work from home, but not for all locations. But for basically for VCS, you need to have a degree of 12th pass, while for seller support, graduation is must. So in this way, seller support is a far better opportunity, and there will be a salary difference of at least 20 to 25%. So suppose if someone is getting 20,000 rupees for VCS, then for seller support he or she will be getting 25,000 at least. Okay, so in this way, I think this is a great opportunity and everyone should try for seller support in case you are eligible. The basic thing is that you need to have a graduation certificate other than BE, MBA and BTech. And also, apart from that, your English should have a good command. You must have command over English, especially in writing and speaking form. These are crucial things and basics, and I think most of you will be eligible. I'm sorry that engineers are not eligible for this because I know a lot of engineers also apply. So, anyways, let's start knowing about the opportunity. Okay, so we will start from the location. This is not for all locations. There are specific locations like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Delhi or Haryana, that Gurugram area, and Lucknow. These places have this opportunity of seller support. Okay, so I've already talked about the basic qualification, that is graduation or equivalent degree, and apart from that, command over English. Apart from that, you should have basic knowledge, and if you are tech savvy to some extent, then it will really be very helpful. And systems, everything will be provided, but you must have a good internet connection or LAN connection, and at least 20 Mbps speed. Okay. Okay, so with this you will be eligible. I'll provide you link everything, but before that, let us know why you should apply. So there are many opportunities, as I have already mentioned. You will have to work 5 days a week, and your work will be rotational and 24 by 7. This means the shift can change. Okay, but the good thing in Amazon is that they do not change shift frequently, and whenever it will be changed, you will be informed in very advanced. At least a week ago, you will be informed that your shift is going to be changed, and at least it should be changing after 3 to 4 months. I have never seen that it was changed before 2 to 3 months. Okay, and so I have been working from home, and I have seen my friends also working from home. So many of you may have a question like, what if we have to work extra? So in Amazon there is nothing called extra work. That means unpaid extra work. Suppose if your shift starts from 9 a.m. Till 6 p.m., then you have to work within this time, and if there is any kind of meeting or anything, everything occurs within this time. They will not take any meeting before or after the shift. Okay, and talking about benefits, you will get a good salary, competitive salary. Apart from that, there will be many benefits like a medical insurance. You will get 1100 rupees Zeta food voucher. That means you can spend that 1100 rupees, which will be given on a specific card. You can spend that amount to buy some groceries, or you can go a restaurant and eat something from there. And apart from that, 1200 rupees will be paid every month as an internet allowance and home allowance. Apart from that, there will be many small and time basis benefits which you will see. So if you ask what is the best thing that I have seen in Amazon, then I will mention the work culture. Yes. So we know in these kind of companies, I'm not talking about companies, sorry, I'm talking about processes. In customer service, most companies have a very bad name, but Amazon is an exception. Here people are treated very good. Our seniors, managers, team leaders, everyone is almost good. Okay. And professionalism is maintained. One more thing that I have seen, and I think I should talk about it directly, chivalrous nature of people. That means like they treat men and women differently, right? If you have worked in customer support, then you must be knowing about it. I'm proud to say that I'm no more part of Amazon, but Amazon is really very good in all of this. Okay, so please do not worry. I'm going to bring my kind of suggestion and experience that I have gone through in Amazon. a video. I'll post about it later, maybe after 1 or 2 days. But in this video, I'm going to tell you shortly that all this will be really satisfactory, and especially female, you do not need to worry. Work culture, senior, everyone will be very good, and I think this is a great opportunity. So apart from that, I've talked about qualification. I've said what is the difference between VCS and this, but there is one more post. There are two more posts that I will talk about in this video only, so you can find and apply, as I'm also going to post about them. One is VTS and the other one is SDS. These posts are also very good, and these are also based on graduation or equivalent degree. So these kind of posts give you a far better salary and career opportunity than VCS, because VCS is mainly based on 12th pass. But I know many people, myself, I'm graduate and I applied and worked in VCS because I did not know about it. So I do not want you to make the same mistake, and that is the reason I'm bringing you new opportunities and letting them know what is the difference and how it plays a different role. So if you start from a smaller level, then it will take a time or a specific time to go to upper level. But if you start from the upper level, then you will go far higher, right? So if you are eligible, then I request you to do apply for it. Apart from that, you will find the link in description. Please go there, apply, and let me know if you are facing any kind of issues. Talking about test will be quite like VCS test, okay? And you can check description. I'm going to give you a link. Test questions, everything is uploaded on YouTube. You can check. It will be really very helpful. Talking about test, many people get confused. Please remember, you must have good internet connection when you take test, because if because of any reason, if your test stops, that means they disqualify you. The reason being, they do not know whether you have taken someone's help or not. So that is the reason, if your video or anything stops while test is going on, then you are disqualified. So please take care of that. I request you to have Wi-Fi connection, at least that will be better. And take please test from laptop or computer, so you can type. You have to turn on your video camera. And apart from that, to be honest, there is one thing, one of the disadvantages of Amazon is that they take very long time to finally hire you. So suppose if you do not get any reply, then please do not panic. If you are not getting any reply, that means it is a good sign, because they take longer time. But those people who get rejected, they are mostly informed, or they are sent a regret email within 3 to 4 days maximum, I guess. Okay, so please try about it and keep checking other opportunities. And I'm very happy to announce that I've been posting regularly about so many jobs, good jobs like Deloitte, these kind of famous companies, Dell, you can say Apple, these kind of companies. Very few people know that they also hire. And so I'm going to post about them, and I've been posting on Instagram, my Facebook page with the same Edutopia name. But the most posts are coming from my Telegram channel in the same name, the Edutopia. So if you want to really join and find a good job, please go there and find. You will get to know many work from home, remote work. Remote work is a kind of, you can work from anywhere, restaurant, or your family's home, neighbor's home, anywhere, from anywhere you can work. So I'm going to post about all of this, and I request you to look into this, and this will really help you. I hope you find this video helpful, and please let me know if you have any question. I'll be really very happy to answer them. Thank you very much.